Hi, this is John of Millinery and welcome back to my channel. And in this video we're going to be discussing and looking at millinery news for the month of May. So to kick the month of May off, we're going to talk about Parma Hat Week. Now, I don't know if you're aware of Parma Hat Week. It's a brand new millinery week, and it seems to have come from nowhere, and then all of a sudden there's all this talk of Parma Hat Week. Now, I have been in touch with the guys that are running Parma Hat Week, so I've got a little bit of information, and some of it I've pulled from the website as well. So Parma Hat Week is going to be this year, 3rd to the 9th of August. Now, there is a millinery exhibition / competition. Like London Hat Week, there is the millinery exhibition. This is very similar, but it's actually a competition as well, and there are 2 categories to the competition. So bear with me while I bring up the details. So this year, the exhibition and competition needs to be inspired by beach, so it's hats with big brims or super modern designs to avoid sunburn, something that would make you stand out from the crowd. And then the second category is gala. So this, they're looking for if you were invited to a private luxurious party at Beachside Mansion, what would you wear? They're looking for rhinestones, gold, silver, silk, gems and glitter. All this sort of like sparkle fabulousness is what they're looking for in this category. As it is a competition, there is one winning hat per category, winning prize money of €350. Now, I don't know what that would be to convert into your money. And you would also get a specially designed lookbook presenting just your work as well. So this competition is definitely something that I would recommend entering. There is a €100 entry fee. Now, if you get your hats in before the 6th of May, so it doesn't really leave a lot of time, but if you do get your hats in before the 6th of May, I think there's like a 20% discount. I think it works out like €80. And you can enter more than one hat. I will leave all the links to this in the description box below, so you can check it out for yourself. But talking at Parma Hat Week, there is a lot more to this as well. They are going to be having, obviously, the main event, the preview party. There's going to be workshops, there's going to be professional salespeople, there's going to be a day trip to the horse races in Menorca. There's going to be lots of different things for you to do. There is quite a long list of terms and conditions for this, so if you are interested in this, I would very much recommend reading the terms and conditions first. Make sure it's definitely something that you want to enter. I know I will be entering. The deadline to enter your hats for the competition is the 31st of May, I believe. Yes, 31st of May. So Parma Hat Week is set up by Carl Maria Count Kinski, who resides in Spain. He's very much into the arts and hats. His grandmother was a milliner. His wife is a milliner. In fact, if I post a picture here, you'll be able to see the hat that she actually entered for London Hat Week exhibition with X-Terrace. And his wife is Judith Kinski. If I've said your name wrong, I do apologise. So yeah, it's a brand new hat week. If you can, I would very much recommend supporting it. I'm not affiliated with them. They have the same ethos as me. It's the reason why I do this channel is to promote the idea of millinery, to promote the idea that we should be paid what we're worth, to share skills, to share knowledge, and to keep that inspiration for millinery alive, because it's one of those industries where, you know, we need to get people interested in it more and to understand more about millinery. So they kind of got the same, a bit like London Hat Week and all the different sort of like millinery weeks that are going on. I know there's one in the US and there's one in Australia. So it's kind of just helping keeping that the industry relevant, keeping it understood, and yeah, go check them out, show them some love. All the details are linked down below. So let's move on to the next section. Next up, a slight name change for a millinery supplies. So if you're looking for Lily M Millinery Supplies, they're now going under the name Be Unique Millinery. Same business, same supplies, just a different name. My understanding is it's still split between different warehouses. So we have the Australia, the Europe, London, Europe, USA and Canada, but it looks like items are spread through that the warehouses as opposed to in one specific warehouse. And I'll just put a screenshot here. These are the bundle mats that I would love to get my hands on. It's payday today anyway, so I think I will be getting myself some. There are lots of different colours. Yeah, these are just amazing. And I also want to highlight this, which is a paper fabric. Now, Brenda got together a team of millers to test a lot of these materials out. So it says paper, but it's been tested rigorously. So we know that these will be working, and we're just going to put a few more shots here of this. I mean, it's just beautiful, just beautiful. So if you want to get your hands on some of this, you don't need to find Lily M Millinery Supplies. You want to look for Be Unique Millinery. Brenda, I'm really sorry I didn't come and see you. Do apologise. Hopefully I'll get to see you sometime soon. Drop me an email and we'll talk. We have some new supplies from Petershams Millinery. So we have Tubular Crin in lots of different colours. Now I remember buying some Tubular Crin from Petershams a few years ago, and they just had it in the black and the white. It's nice to see that they've got lots of different colours. What else have we got from Petershams? We have more velvet orchids. So these, we've got 2 new colours. What else? Instant Fascinator Cinema Swirl. So perfect for people who are just getting into millinery or need to quickly make something in the right colour. They've just added 2 more colours to their collection. So they've got pale pink and mink. So they've got more colours in their stripped diamond mounts. So they've got pale grey, heather and a new teal colour. And finally, this I'm actually quite interested to get my hands on. So I will be going down to see Michelle and Fiona and the girls down there. Some Polybraid Edge crinoline. So this looks to me like it's Crin, as we all know it, just with a braid edge. So I can see a lot of unique items, unique pieces being made using something like this. And that's it for Petershams. So let's move on. As I was editing this, I realised there was a few things that I'd missed from this. So in May there is the London Craft Week. So this is going to be not millinery focused, but it's craft focused. So a couple of things I just want to point out. There are a few events. So one on Saturday the 11th of May. This is at Phoenix, and it's called The Heads Behind Hats. So we're going to have Rachel Trevor Morgan, Noel Stewart and Edwina Chambers discussing stuff, the craftsmanship basically of their hats. So if you want to go and see that, definitely book tickets now, or links will be down in the description box below. There is also an exhibition which is lots of different milliners are exhibiting. This is going to be at the Art Workers Guild, and there's also a demo and a talk Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 8th, 9th and 10th of May at 10, 2 and 4. Tickets are £22 each for the demo. The exhibition is free, so you don't need to book that. The exhibition is at the Art Workers Guild, so it's a free one, so definitely go and see that. There is hats by Vivienne Westwood, and that is going to be a free event again, 8th, 9th and 10th, 11th and the 12th of May. I'll link all this down in the description box below. So this is basically Vivienne was celebrating British millinery with a journey through the brand's iconic hat archive. Now she's got some beautiful pieces that were made for her, so definitely, I mean, I changed my name to include Westwood, so, you know, I'm obsessed. And there is also one by John Boyd, looking at behind the scenes of a working couture milliners in the run-up to Royal Ascot. And this is going to be by with Sarah Marshall. So yes, Sarah, I met Sarah at London Hat Week. She was great. Tickets are £10. Booking via tickets at johnboydhats.co.uk. And I think, let me just double check. Oh, one last one. Vivienne Sheriff, how to wear hats. She'll be showing her spring summer 2019 collection, and that is going to be at I'm not sure, it doesn't say, but if you check the description box down below, I'll have it all linked down there. So yeah, I just thought I'd quickly put that in now, because that's another thing that's coming up very soon. Well, that seems to be it really. Not a lot of news that I've come across, so yeah, it's a short one this week. However, my London Hat Week vlog video is in progress. I am editing it. It's taking me forever, mainly because I haven't vlogged in a long time, so I forgot how to vlog and some audio was missing, so I'm just trying to work around that. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you check out all my social media in the description box below. Make sure you check out all the links to all the suppliers in the description box below. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.